This here is my tire repair kit, and I'm going to show you how it is used to repair a puncture. If you ever had a puncture, you can use this type of kit. You don't need to remove the wheel from the car. You can repair the puncture with the wheel still on the car. There has to be a thorough check to make sure that there are no further screws or any holes on the wheel. So going through the wheel, checking every part of it to make sure only one screw is the only one that we had found.
The screw
had to be removed and replaced with a patch.
These are the items that you need to keep in the car for an emergency when you need to repair a puncture. That's the screw. A little bit of video. Yeah. Then this one, insert it through there, through that hole there. It's gonna just sticky. Pull it through. It's halfway. Huh? Right. Get it ready then. That's ready. Now I'll get this one after I've removed the screw. Once I remove the screw, I need a screwdriver. You see, a screw does not go in on its own. Control. You see, it's leaking. I will use this one. We don't want to lose the hole, eh? Tyre Master. iPhone.
This is a digital pump that I got from Argos. It is very effective and very efficient pump to use, and you keep it in the car. It's very helpful. The hole has to be enlarged to make sure that the patch will fit through and stick in the place. The tire repair kit is so good that you have to use it effectively to seal any hole in your tires. It seals and ensures that all that air that is leaking there is sealed after removing a screw. So you can repair any wheel puncture anywhere. This tire repair kit is effective for repairing all tire punctures. It can be used on any vehicle as long as they have tires that have a hole in them. The patch has got to be driven right through the hole to make sure it's firmly stuck in the hole and deep down into the tire, effective sealing. You got to cut the bits that stick from the hole. Make sure that it is smooth, nice and smooth, and don't leak. Puncture has been done. Very effective. This equipment is very, very efficient. I tell you, pumping the wheel after repairing the puncture using this highly checked pump.
See, now it's still level, no movement.
Yes, all done.
It's okay.
It's a very good pump that you need to keep in your car.
You see, these are the patches. You see these patches?
And all these other
This is a pusher,
items, like that lamp and
and
the
then
screws and all these bits in
this
the
one is
torch, you need to keep
a
those in
hole
your car.
enlarger.
Thank you for watching.